The path from the world we live in to the world we dream of is the path of responsible technology. Technology which feels human, cares for the future, and creates business opportunities. For over 8 decades, we at A.T.E have engaged in spreading responsible technology. We solve problems connected with basic human needs in thoughtful and sustainable ways. Our diverse businesses empower our customers with appropriate high technology and solutions. Our clients believe in our solutions because they trust that together we are building a better and more profitable future. Here, business excellence and human dignity find equal importance in the boardroom and on the shop floor. As we believe that the cutting edge should never be achieved by cutting corners. A.T.E is a group committed to social change through business and beyond, because being responsible is the start of building responsible technology. A.T.E Group, partnering people and the planet.